All right, everyone. I have a bit of an update for. I know it's been some time since the last video, and I haven't really made much. You can tell. I try. I mean, I'm not very creative. If comment if you want to see something specific, like that. That's all you got to do. So, I have a decent amount of subscribers right now, but could always use more. Grow the channel. That's all a completely different thing, but just something for you. I can't make videos on everything. However, I can make content about practically anything. So I suggest you people learn some to research on your own. And to help with that, I made sure to link to my Snake Mike's IT server uh, on the channel, which is a educational server that has all of the content you'll ever need for just exploring all these subjects. You got learning resources, development. You know, you got hosting alternatives if you need them, online storage, all that is grand. You know, couple of things. Artificial intelligence, always great. Need a VPN? Try one free or pay for one. All good. Uh, Need an alternative to Adobe? Guess you don't want to pay. Here's the stuff. It has practically everything you want to learn modding. Get a couple of tutorials for things. Want to learn cybersecurity? I mean, it's all there. It's all practically there. I'll add more as I go as well. But for what doesn't get added, you might find on Outbox Resources, which is a blog that I have actually become an author of. So completely great educational resources here. You know, like for example, this. You can see it's all great stuff. Great stuff. Completely for your own exploration if you want to learn how to do things instead of having to wait for me to upload something. I mean, some of these should still work, not all of them, especially not the ones past 10 months. Like these, this one might still work, this one not so much. Uh, Anyways, I I'll hope you continue to grow this community and help everyone gets what they need. All right, see ya.